Rockets. Every team plays each other once. The top 4 qualify for the semi-finals. Every tie has 5 matches, 2 men's singles, 1 men's doubles, 1 women's singles, and a mixed doubles. To win a game, it's first to 15 points. Look out for the trump. This is a chance for a team to win a bonus point. But if they lose their trump match, they lose a point. The Star Sports Premier Badminton League. It's fast and it's furious. Badminton like you've never seen it before. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Delhi Acers!
The Delhi Acers coming in first here against the Chennai Smashers. They will be playing today. Well, they would have hoped to start their campaign with a win in the tie, but they went down to the home team yesterday. Gabriella Adcock, she will be in action once again. One has to say they look like a very good team on paper, but just came up short against the Awadh Warriors. They would like to correct the wrongs and come away with the win today.
And welcome the baddies from the south, the Chennai Smashers!
They will be the opponents for the Delhi Acers today, led by the mercurial, the superb PV Sindhu. She has got her account open and will be hoping to do the same, leading from the front. Caught up with her before the game. It was an absolute pleasure. Gem of a person, PV Sindhu. Chennai Smashers did very well on the opening day. And well, Delhi Acers have lost the first game, so they would like to put them under the pressure from the first match. That's the Delhi team. Very strong team, as we have already mentioned. That's the team. Ajay Jairam will finally be playing the first match. Tommy Sugiyato won the first game. It's the trump today. A lot riding on him. Kien and Hyung, the best doubles match I've ever seen. They won that yesterday. It will take a lot for them to better that. Adcock will be in action as well. Plenty to look forward to. That's the Chennai Smashers for you. Won their first game against Mumbai, beat them at home, one must remember, so they are coming here in very good nick. Delhi Acers have a lot to do to beat them today. Good strength in depth for the Chennai Smashers. Of course, PV Sindhu is there, but watch out for Adcock and Chopra. Great pairing there. Pranav Chopra and Adcock did come up short, but Chopra, well, they were superb. With me to witness the proceedings today, former Olympian, former national champion, and my esteemed colleague Aparna Popat. Superb matches today, Aparna.
Yes, there's one team, the Chennai team, riding high on confidence, and Delhi team looking to come back into this tournament after they lost yesterday. So it's going to be an extremely interesting contest.
Well, Chennai would like to continue where they left off in Mumbai. Delhi Acers, who went down to the home team yesterday, would like to get a win here and kickstart their campaign. Plenty to look forward to. Exceptional badminton expected. Please stick with us.
I'll take who and time. I will know them. Just take Chris and Lola. There's barely any time on either one of them.
ट्रैक का फर्स्ट मैच होने वाला है। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि एक बार डेली एसेंस के लिए जोरदार तालियां। Come on everyone! And here we welcome Chennai Smashers. So एक बार Chennai Smashers के लिए जोरदार तालियां please everyone. आज के दिन का फर्स्ट ट्रैक का फर्स्ट मैच Chennai Smashers and डेली एसेंस के बीच होने वाला है।
Well, this is the match that will kickstart our day. Chennai Smashers versus the Delhi Acers at the Babu Banarsidass Badminton Stadium in Lucknow. Superb tie here. Chennai have won the first game. Delhi have lost on the first game. They will be looking to catch up. They wouldn't want to go too far behind in the league table. For the Delhi Acers, well, Ku and Tan, they are a very, very experienced pair. They have come out of retirement for the Rio Olympics. They are former world number ones, remember. Tie number 5. Day 4, it's match day 4 at Lucknow here. Well, the city of Nawabs has truly been converted into Badminton Central by the Star Sports Premier Badminton League. That's the Delhi team then. From Malaysia, it's Tan Hyong. Well, he can hit them. He's a southpaw. How hard can he hit them? He has the fastest recorded smash ever in badminton history, 421 kilometers per hour. His partner, Ku Kiet Keen, also from Malaysia, have been playing together for a very long time. They are a very successful pair. How successful? 5 Commonwealth Games gold medals, back-to-back gold in Asiad 2006 and 2010.
And their opponents from the Chennai Smashers, Chris Adcock, 2011 World Championship silver medalist and a very accomplished men's doubles player as well. Been leading from the front and guiding Pranav Jerry Chopra, his partner, who's come out of a shoulder injury, but is currently the hardest smasher in the Star Sports Premier Badminton League.
Interesting, isn't it, Aparna? 2 very good hitters up against each other today, Tan and Pranav.
Are you ready?
Within the plot, there is a subplot.
Ladies and gentlemen, on my right, Delhi Acers represented by Ku Keet Keen and Tan Boon
Agha Shakir.
And
Won
on my
silver
left,
medal in the Junior
Chennai
National Team
Smashers
Championship played from Uttar
represented
Pradesh.
by Chris Adcock and Pranav Chopra. Chennai Smashers to serve.
Oh, we have a technical glitch here. The lights have gone off, so there's just an unfortunate delay. I'm sure they'll fix that in no time. Well, it's the calm before the storm. There's Akshay Devalkar and Gabriela Adcock. He won't be pairing with Gabriela Adcock, Akshay Devalkar, but they had a very good match yesterday, Aparna.
Yes, they actually saved the Delhi team a lot of heartburn by winning their last match, the Trump match. Otherwise, Delhi would have lost that tie to Awadh Warriors 5-0, Siddharth.
That would have been embarrassing, but they did not allow that to happen, and it ended 4-3. They lost by just a point. They won the Trump.
Chris Adcock there indicating that the lights are flickering. Just have to wait to get that issue sorted out before the match proceeds.
It seems fine as of now. Well, Chris Adcock just double-checking here.
These are top players, Siddharth. They're used to the spotlight, aren't they?
Yes, they are. And of course, we cannot forget the external element. You know, just a little bit here and there can affect a game at a very high level.
Yes, well, it's the lights that have gone dim again.
So this is how we will we'll be lining up today. Aparna, the first game of the day, it is Chris Adcock and Pranav Jerry Chopra. Well, they had a very good game, but they're up against very tough opponents in Ku and Tan. They won yesterday. It has to be, I'm saying this again and again, the best men's doubles match I've ever seen. Coming up later, Simon Santoso versus Ajay Jairam. That is a match to look forward to as well. Adcock and Pia will then go against Kien and Adcock. And well, after that, the two big ones, the Trump PV Sindhu will be squaring up against the youngster Tulasi. And then Leverde versus Tommy Sugiarto. It's so good to see Tommy Sugiarto here playing in the Premier Badminton League. He is a class player. Sindhu will be in action later in the day, sitting next to her coach Ganguly Prasad.
Chennai smasher to serve. Chris Adcock to QT Kane. Love ball. Play.
We will be expecting a lot of that up now. Pranav Jerry Chopra opens the account for the Chennai Smashers with a hard smash.
Yes, Siddharth, you mentioned the subplot in this match. And to me, the subplot is ye goodminton hai, ye badminton hai. Just look at the smashes.
One love.
They truly are baddies, and baddies smash it at 317 kilometers per hour. That's not a bad start.
Point.
A fault being called there for Kukiankit. While hitting that tap, his racket did touch the net, which is not permissible. The point goes to Chennai.
It's a good rally early on, and did you see that? Pranav Jerry Chopra actually in the middle of the rally has left his racket and gone for a new one.
It's just the presence of mind of the players. There we see Pranav Jerry Chopra back into the frame, back into the action. And Sindhu, an exciting moment for her and for all the viewers.
Such an important player for the Chennai Smashers is PV Sindhu.
Especially in this tie, Siddharth, she has been called as the trump player in this tie against the Delhi Aces.
He doesn't miss many. Pranav Jerry Chopra seeing the opening, going for the kill, getting the winner.
Now we talk about the hard smashes, but sometimes it's this parallel badminton that is so quick and so difficult to control that shuttle. But Pranav Jerry Chopra there, making no mistake at all.
Intimidating player at the front court is Pranav Jerry Chopra. It's a good start here by Chopra and Adcock. 3-point lead then.
4-1.
Shot. Superb shot there from Chris Adcock after that one delicate drop. Leaps up in the air and goes for yet another shot. Well angled, and just look at the deception on that one. Kukiankit waiting back for the smash and completely caught unawares.
Sublime wrist work there by Chris Adcock. That's just gone out there.
While Pranav Jerry Chopra and Chris Adcock have a 3-point lead, remember Kukiankit and Tan Bun Hyung had a slow start even in yesterday's match. So the Chennai team will have to be wary.
That's what we're talking about. They are the former world number ones. They've been on top of the badminton world. They know what it takes to win from losing positions.
Yes, and don't forget, Siddharth, that they do practice together. They are preparing for the Rio Olympics. So very much a set pair.
This is how fast the matches can change in the doubles. It was a 4-point lead for Adcock and Chopra that has disappeared in the blink of an eye.
With smashes like that, the game is only going to get more exciting and faster.
Oh, superb stuff. Superb stuff by this Malaysian pair.
Exposing the fact that Chris and Pranav Chopra are combining for only the second time. Of course, we did see them play the first time, but
Good rally here. That is superb by Pranav Chopra.
just look, yet another drop in that corner. It's that left-hander advantage that Chris is making use of.
He put everything into those smashes and then just a deft little cross-court. Chris Adcock at his very best. Well, the way things are going up now, this court is going to need a lot of mopping and the shuttles are going to need a lot of changing.
And the players are going to need a lot of fluids, Yazidan.
Yes, the rallies yesterday were marathon. Well, we are in store for something similar today, it seems.
I certainly hope so. What exciting, enthralling matches yesterday. I couldn't manage to sit down on my seat in that men's doubles, and especially that 66-shot rally. That was just exemplary.
Adcock to serve.
Superb anticipation there by Chris Adcock, but unfortunately making the error. He knew he had that point in the bag.
Yeah, he'll be disappointed with that. Well done by Kudo.
The shuttles coming in so fast, giving Chris Adcock absolutely no space and no time to react.
Nothing to choose between the two teams here in the opening exchanges.
Whoa, look at that shot.
It was exceptional by Pranav Chopra. But going into the first game interval, Ku and Tan lead 8 points to 6. Warm welcome back from the first game interval. It was a good start by Adcock and Chopra, but in the last 10 points, Ku and Tan have won 7. They have come back well. What a rally to start off. Adcock with the error.
When the match playing in Lucknow, but today a similar start. But as they're getting warmed up, the rallies are getting longer and longer. 39 shots on that previous rally.
Tan to serve. Good work there by Chris Adcock on the net here. They have to be careful here because it's only a 15-point format here.
Call there from Cook and Kit. Asking Tan to judge the service, but he takes it and he does well with that. Another point for Cook and Kit and Tan Bun Yong.
Good defense there by Chris Adcock, and he gets lucky. The shuttle kisses the net and goes over to the other side.
It's amazing the anticipation that is required to play a men's doubles. The shuttle just comes in so fast, and there you can see Chris Adcock anticipating, moving so quickly into the net and getting lucky in the end.
That is super by Koo.
Chris trying to use that parallel shot to get past Koo at the net, but Koo making no mistake. Such quick hands from him.
Alert as a fox was Koo at the front court.
Service forward. Service over.
A service fall called on that one.
9, 11.
Dan tried a service to the back, did catch one of Jerry Chopra, but of course it was called a fault.
The Delhi Aces pair still ahead by 2 points.
Still coming back to that serve, Siddharth. The service in doubles being so important, players do try to take advantage of it, try to get quick points. And the previous serve was an error because of the double action.
Good work there by Koo, but Chris Adcock was not going to let that one go. Gets the winner for the Delhi Aces, and they level it at 11 all.
Cook and Kit did try on that one, but a difficult position to return a shot from. Flat on the floor.
And correct me if I'm wrong, Aparna, but Chris Adcock and Pranav Jerry Chopra just seem to be shuffling around the court much more than their Malaysian pair.
Yes, I think if they could unsettle the Malaysian pair, by unconventional badminton. Remember, Pranav Jerry Chopra and Chris Adcock have played only one match together earlier on in the Start for Premier Badminton League. So they aren't as settled, and hence they don't have a pattern that Cook and Kit and Tan Bun Yong can use as strategy.
They go ahead now as we go into the business end of this game. Lead Kien and Hyo by 12 points to 11. That's gone out. This is good play here by Chopra and Adcock. They are into the lead when it matters.
Service over. 12, 13.
Missing that shot did Chris Adcock. Just a 1-point lead for the Chennai Smashers.
What a time to miss a point, Aparna. Just when they thought they just got in away, they've allowed the Malaysians to come back.
They are up against top-class opponents, but shots like that from Pranav Jerry Chopra at this stage in the match. Amazing form shown by Pranav in that one.
Such a hostile opponent, and he takes them to game point here. And they've taken it. They've taken the first game here, the Delhi Aces, by 15 points to 12. shall see you after the break.
Chennai Smashers have won the first game at 15-12.
I need to hear a voice in room. Come on, let's cheer to Delhi Aces and Chennai Smashers. And Chennai Smashers have won the first game of the first match. So I need to hear a voice. यहाँ पर इतने सारे लोग हैं, इतने सारे guests हैं. एक बार कुछ आवाज अदर सभी की ओर से हुआ. Let's hear it for Chennai Smashers.
Warm welcome back. The Delhi Aces are down by one game here. The Chennai Smashers lead Ku and Tan by 1-0. Aparna, the format of this Premier Badminton League is such, it's tough enough to go one game behind, but in a 15-point format, how much pressure does that put on the opponents?
It puts huge pressure because each point becomes that much more important. Most of the matches we've seen in this Star Sports Premier Badminton League have been so tantalizingly close that it just makes the action so intense.
Play.
Adcock to start us off in the second game. We're looking for a good start here, the Malaysian pair.
No.
Chris Adcock again moving up to the net, looking to anticipate that smash, but it was a bit too hard for him to handle. A good start for Ku and Tan in the second game.
Gets even better. It's a 3-point lead here.
So that the Chennai Smashers are looking good, you know, when they're on the attack, but when they're on the defense, somewhere I feel that they are lacking.
They don't need that, the Malaysian pair. Just allowing the Chennai Smashers to come back into this game when they were 3 points ahead.
Played like tigers, are they, Chennai Smashers? The logo of the Chennai Smashers is the tiger. These two players for the Chennai Smashers really playing their part.
They just seem so comfortable together. You know, they are not defending very well. It's going to take some time for them to get going. But they look happy together. That's Chris Adcock and Pranav Jerry Chopra.
And whatever strokes, whatever loose shots they're getting, they're doing very well on those. And I think that is what makes all the difference. Some confusion there, but sorted out. What athleticism from Chris there. Oh, that was an error from Pranav Jerry Chopra. Tried to play a very risky net shot.
I think the angle that the shuttle came at Pranav Jerry Chopra was a little awkward for him. Just couldn't get his hands sorted.
Yes, he was moving across and hence he couldn't control that shuttle. Dan hitting that shuttle out. Siddharth, another thing to notice is both these pairs are lefty-righty combinations, and you'd like to believe that a lefty-righty combination in the doubles in badminton is an advantage. Here, both of them have that advantage, but none in terms of points. It's 4-all.
Well said, Aparna. That is Pranav Jerry Chopra, the big man showing subtlety there at the net.
Yes, we saw him hit that 408 kilometers per hour. Huge smash earlier on in the Southpaw Premier Badminton League, and just look at that touch. Cross-court shot at the net. Superb.
Excellent, excellent hands there for a man who can smash them.
A true baddie.
No, he's not going to miss them. Pranav Jerry Chopra on it like a fox.
That's as bad as it gets, doesn't it, Siddharth?
Look at this. Where it came on his forehand, that's bread and butter for Pranav Jerry Chopra.
Service over. 5, 6.
Cool. With a very good return of serve.
Well, Ku and Tan are not going to go away anytime soon, you can be sure of that.
Service over. 7, 5.
It's interesting how these sign languages work, especially in the doubles, isn't it? And the Chennai Smashers going into the second game interval are leading the Delhi Aces by 3 points, 8 points to 5.
The Chennai Smashers are leading in this game by 8-5. Come on, make some noise for Chennai Smashers.
Welcome back here. The Delhi Aces are behind, and Mr. Upinder Zuchi, the owner of the Delhi Aces, looking on there. And his heart is beating at 114 because, well, it's not a very good start here for the Delhi Aces. He'll be worried.
8, 5. Play.
Pranav Chopra to start.
Good judgment there by Ku. Neatly jumping over the shuttle.
6, 8.
What happened there?
Service over.
Ku losing his balance.
It's really, really unfortunate here. Really unfortunate. He just loses his footing here.
He's asking for the court to be mopped. You know, every time a player falls like that on court, you know, my heart skips a beat because I just hope that they're not injured. But thankfully, Ku seems okay on this one.
And the mop is also important, Aparna, because the sweat left on could lead to an injury.
Exactly. The court does get very slippery when it has sweat on it.
Pranav Chopra with 2 big ones, but returned well by the Delhi Aces.
Superb conversion from Chris Adcock. Gets the attack back for the Chennai Smashers.
Such a deceptive player, Adcock.
He's trying those drops again. Smash on that one.
Mixes it up so well. This is a big one, Aparna.
The players are tiring and you can see it going for the tosses. There's another toss for you. Yet another one. Yet another one.
It's just a matter of who wants it more now.
Or till the shuttle breaks with that.
This is a marathon here.
Oh, that shuttle fell in. I reckon Pranav Jerry Chopra was hoping with all his heart that shuttle would go out. But what an excellent rally.
And as you mentioned, Aparna, the first thing that has happened after the rally got over, the shuttle has been changed. 91 shots. If we thought 66 shots yesterday was long, well, they have just bettered that
They just missed the century, Siddharth.
by a whisker. 9 points, another 9 shots, and we would have had a century. Incredible stuff.
Thank God that rally was shorter. Players will be happy with that, especially the Delhi Acers. Level scores at 9-all.
That's out. And there's nothing to choose between the two teams. This one looks as if it's going to go down to the wire again in the second game.
Good serve by Jerry, but the Stanford York, he does hold the world record for the fastest smash, 421 kilometers per hour. Didn't have to use that much power on this smash. Did well just to get the point to level scores at 10-all.
It's the timing that he gets on his smashes, the Stan, is exceptional. They're in the lead, Kuantan.
It's that long rally that has caused all that sweat to happen and the pressure.
Well, Chris Adcock will have to keep himself well hydrated because he's going to come back for another match later on in the day, facing his wife, we may add.
Did you see that sign language on that serve? And we'll come back to it after this point. Chris doing very well to win that point. But coming back to another innovation that has come about in badminton, where the men's and the women's doubles players do indicate to their partner as to which direction they're going to serve and which serve they're going to use, just so that they have that split second extra and that upper hand going into the rally.
Adcock mixing it up here again for the Chennai Smashers.
Whoa. Whoops.
This is superb defense here by the Delhi Acers. Remarkable stuff.
That looks out, and it is great judgment there from Chris Adcock.
12, 11.
It's all getting louder. Pranav Jerry Chopra leaping in the air, hitting smashes really hard. And then the cheers getting louder there from the Chennai Smashers dugout.
50 shots on the last rally. They are really long in this match. We do not expect anything less, and I guess it's going to be a lot of shuttles that will be used.
Do you think the match is going to go long as well, Siddharth? Of course, the Chennai Smashers have won the first game, but very close in the second game. Delhi Acers have a great chance to come back and level this match at 1 game all.
Service over. 12.
They're doing well here, the Chennai Smashers, but it is level at 12 all. The Malaysians to serve for the Delhi Acers. Will be cool to serve. Pranav Jerry Chopra with a good smash into the body there. Just could not keep it in play, the Delhi Acers. There you go. Koo just could not keep it in play. I've seen some great defending, but not on that occasion.
Net.
Pranav Jerry Chopra serving, but Tan saying he wasn't ready. That point will be replayed. Chris will make the move all over the court. Remember, he is one of the fastest and fittest players on the international circuit. Is Chris Adcock.
Caught him before the match. A gem of a person is Chris Adcock. Lovely talking to him. PV Sindhu cannot believe her eyes. It's 13-all in the second game.
The experience showing in that point.
14, game point.
Koo
14.
making short work of it. Gives them game point for Delhi Acers. Leading 14-13.
Everyone, come on.
As we predicted, this one has gone down to the wire here.
Very close game. Very close game. Other teams के बीच में.
All about composure and temperament at this stage.
Bit of consultation there. But Koo and Tan.
Remarkable defense by the Delhi Acers. But they can't do it. It's 14-all and we have gone to the decider point in this game.
Whoever wins this point is going to win the game. For what? For the Delhi Acers, it is game point. For the Chennai Smashers, match point.
Just the different permutation and combinations that keep coming up in this Star Sports Premier Badminton League. 28 shots on the last rally.
The Premier Badminton League has come up with so many upsets. Is this going to be yet another upset?
Just a break before this big point is played.
Other teams के game point. Other teams 14.
This is the showstopper point, according to me, Siddharth. Dan asking for the court to be mopped there. So there's going to be still more tense moments.
Yes, you wouldn't want this point to be decided by external factors like sweat on the court or a light going off or a shuttle not being good enough.
This point is going to be decided nevertheless.
Net.
Again, Tan putting his hand up indicating he's not ready. Chris will have to serve again.
They have done it. They have won the match. They have taken the first match. Have the Chennai Acers. Chris Adcock and Pranav Jerry Chopra have set up this tie oh so very well. Beaten a formidable pairing of Koo Kiat Kin and Tan Boon Yong. Tie 5, match 1. The Chennai Smashers take it. 5 points to 12, 15 points to 12, I beg your pardon, and 15 points to 14. All high fives and hugs at the Chennai Smashers dugout there. Excellent, excellent performance by them.
Unexpected result, I would say, in that one. Koo and Tan, former world number 1, preparing for the Rio Olympics, lose out to Chris Adcock and Pranav Jerry Chopra. Some superb badminton.
Well, that is what it means to the Chennai Smashers. Just look at them. Ecstasy there at the dugout.
And why not? The excellence displayed by the Chennai Smashers was absolutely spot on.
But don't go anywhere. The Chennai Smashers are in the lead against the Delhi Acers. But the next match coming up will be an absolute cracker. Ajay Jairam will be on court for the first time versus Simon Santoso from the Chennai Smashers. Don't go away. We will be right back.